Hi, I'm Darcy, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule your COVID-19 vaccine appointment online. Now you can get to this website either through Eckhart Public Library's homepage. Right here in the middle you can see COVID-19 updates and resources, and if you click there, the first thing you find is vaccine information and registration. And this is the same site you can get to by going to rshot.in.gov. And so this site will give you all the information about the vaccine, including vaccine safety, administration, what to do about your second dose, and other questions. And it's also where you go to make your appointment and register. So as of this recording, healthcare workers, first responders, and people 65 years and older are eligible to schedule their vaccine. If none of those apply to you, it will let you know, and it will tell you to continue to check back at the website for updates on your future availability. So let's say I'm not really going to schedule my vaccine today, but if you meet the age requirement, you'll be asked to put in your birth date. And you have to check to certify that you meet one of those requirements and click Schedule Your Appointment. You enter your zip code because it is going to search for the closest locations to you. Now, you do not have to get vaccinated in the closest location to you. There are other options. It just depends on what your availability is and how when you're able to make an appointment. So I'm just going to say schedule an appointment. Now you can go to a particular date, or you can click find the next available appointment. You will be asked to enter your information, name, date of birth, sex, and it's going to ask you for your contact preference. And you will need access either to an email address or a mobile phone number. If you do not have a cell phone number and you don't have access to an email address, you can schedule your vaccine appointment by calling 211. Whichever contact method you choose, that is how you will get your appointment reminders, and it's also where you will get registration information. So you fill that information out. Again, you check to certify that you meet the requirements. And from there, you can scroll through the privacy policy. Now, this includes information about potential uses of your information, what your rights are under law, and where to submit any complaints about the use of your information. And the Indiana Department of Health is required by law to protect the privacy of your personal health information. But it may share your information for treatment, payment, or operations. So you can read this if you would like. You scroll down to the bottom and you submit your patient information. Now, I'm not really scheduling my vaccines, so I'm not going to do that today. So once you schedule your appointment, this is a screen that you should see. And from here, you can either continue to registration to save time at your appointment, or you can do that through the link that is sent to your phone via text message or via to your email. And it's recommended that you register prior to your appointment time. It's not required, but it will save time once you get to your appointment. So to register, if you click on Continue to Registration, you will be asked to answer certain questions about your health and your employment status. You may also enter your insurance information in this section, because while patients will not be charged for the vaccine providers can still bill insurance companies. But again, you will not be charged for administration of the vaccine. And please note, they'll ask you to wait for 15 minutes after your shot to monitor you for any adverse effects. You should schedule your second dose at your first appointment, and to cancel or reschedule your vaccine, go to the link included in your text or email reminder.